Yeah, Chaddy Amari, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Amari TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Amari. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time, yeah, check out the Chaddy Amari TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Now today we have a number of topics, different topics to talk about, but the main one we want to kick off this review with is how Queen Nikki trick you all away.
You serious?
You get tricked.
Trick we make we feel like say she a thief and people me now go grow on it like say me never believe. Uno year made it forward on the channel the day before yesterday and talk and I say yo Jaja it no look right and X, Y and Z and me a stand up by that. It no look right for true. But a trick, she trick we. John no star. Me not tell a lie, Nikki, that was a very, very, very good stunt. It's a good stunt for more than one reason because she do it from a surveillance camera, alright? And for the people that want to know what me I talk about, probably when Alec Van Der Rock or probably when they never see the last video, Queen Nikki leak a video of her stealing something where it look like it's a cosmetic jewelry or something out of a jewelry store or something she take up out of her shop and put in her bag. And she do it so neat, she just like lady assist her. And she said, no man, that one there. No, that one there over there. And as the lady turn her back just. You see me? Like a long time she do it, you know. But here one now people. The video captured from a surveillance camera. So it wasn't like nobody hide behind and I say, well on, then the kid at a thief or not like that. So it kinda tricked the crowd. It tricked me, even though I did still have second doubts about it. I said probably it could have been a music video, or probably it fake, or probably it is a prank. But you see the surveillance camera part, I'm not telling a lie. It really cemented it off and I say alright. I feel like about 90% of this real. You see me? So I could see where 10% are going and the 10% actually win. So people, it was for a music video which she dropped yesterday. Check it out right now.
Twinkle star, grip that can chip it up.
So that song is entitled Twinkle Star. And me not tell a lie, Nikki, you're going good. You see me? The song on point. You see, look at something that kind of one way, you see me? Close them, me I say. You see me? The music video look good. Me not tell a lie, but people, I saw we have to actually go that hard nowadays for promote a music video. It's like we can't just drop a song and put it in our grapevines and say, alright, that song you go hit. Or drop a song and just say because the song bad already, it go work. You see me? You have to drop a song nowadays with a stunt. Remember, you know, a lot of people we see do it. We see Alkaline kickstarting career with a stunt. You see me? We see Spice do an album the other day with a stunt. With the Black Hypocrisy something. We see who else me see try out for one stunt. We see I-Octane. I-Octane do a lot of stunt too, you know. Whole heap of stunt. Most I-Octane stunt them fail. So the thing is, the artist now turn stunt woman and stunt man. Like you have to do a stunt to get your song across, to get your song for it. I don't know. Tell me in the comment section below. All of me know, Nikki, that's a good one. Bless up yourself. I'm glad to say you never involved in nothing like that. You see me? And I'm just happy for you. Hopefully you get what you try achieve out of this music video, out of this song. Alright, so let me move on.
Automatic, Glock in my pocket with 2 extra clip. All them send them bad and never shot nobody. All the bars clean, so one on the fabric.
Dancehall artist Squash get caught. Hold on, I seal it, seal people. Jano. Dancehall artist Squash get caught a wear a fake watch.
Chatty, su. Them talk about things that when he never go so. And if you drive a Benz, them say you drive a Tida. So them no like me, but me no like them either.
So people apparently have this Instagram page out there where, you know, scope out the celebrity them and see which one of them are wear fake watch. They are called fake watchers. I saw them name. I don't even remember, you know. Something of the sort. I don't know. But them go around at the artist them page, celebrity Instagram, and look which one of them are wear fake stuff. You know what I mean? And Squash was one of them. So this page, I don't even think this page is actually a Jamaican page. But them claim say Squash was wearing a Richard Mille, I say it name. So people, the page is called Fake Watch Busters. Alright? And it is said that Squash was wearing a fake Richard Mille. I don't know if it's Mille or Mile. It's M-I-L-L-E. It can, I guess that would be Mile. Yeah, Richard Mille. I don't know. Apparently, me not really big on watch and jewelry and them things. So probably I don't know. You can tell me in the comment section because I don't even know if I spot a fake girl. Anyway, take that out there. So apparently the watch is valued at $570,000 to $600,000, and them spot Squash. Is either here or there for me. Anyway, so much time people have put them on for actually I go out and I watch celebrity, watch where them are wear or not like that. It's either here or there. Comment in the comment section below and let me know how much fake stuff you wear. Because me know me wear no fake thing. A G-Shock watch and no fake still. You see me? Ain't no fake. People, check out Dancehall Superstar, Dancehall Grammy Prospect, Dancehall Artist Amari. Check out our freestyle.
What you want to lick up on me? Click, say, bitch, you must have want more lyrics. Johnny Queer, Johnny Tragic. Come sit down for me. Dick, y'all bubble and wine and flick. Y'all go like shit slick. I'm at me mad right now, sick. Fling you over, press it, picked. Tick tock, tick. Lit. Y'all got me crap bit. You better sweat. Time to wipe me fucking ass clean set.
Hey people, let me know in the comment section what you think about Amari freestyle. You see me? Amari said, put them in a Percy pit. Tick tock, tick. Yo, them lyrics, yeah, off the chain. You see me? And people talking about stuff that is off the chain. I have to talk about this shirt that I wear and this brand that I push from the other day. Necessary Marge. You see me? They are the sponsor of this episode and they provide me with this nice shirt. So the idea is where you're from. Say you are from Kingston. Yeah, we are Kingston, Portland, I come from. You see me? St. Thomas, the same. Portland, like me, the same. So, I want to go and go check them out. I'm going to leave a link in the description, or if you're watching on Instagram, I'm going to put their link in the comment section. Alright? Or in the description. So, people, go and go check them out. Them shirt bad. You see me? Bad. But before I go, have you seen this female? She's missing and she's also from Portland as well. So people, if you see her, just call the nearest police station or call the numbers on the screen right now. Her name is Kalia Miller, and she's from Zion Hill, Portland. Alright? So if you see her, may I beg you to please report her. She missing. Them don't know where she there. Nah, not like that. Call the numbers on your screen or call the nearest police station. Alright? Bring her back home safe. Please, Jaja, I really want to come back home. And last but not least, a GoFundMe has created for Ziddy, social media sensation Ziddy. So now I'm sure if you're on Instagram a lot, you probably see them a repost the brother here over and over and over and over. It's like he's a new social media sensation now. The hombre, you can't get joke, him funny, people love him and them thing there. But what really happened, him have a Down syndrome, alright? So a lot of people even comment under my post them and I say, Chaddy, him look so. Look like there's something wrong with him or, you see me? But we know now him have a Down syndrome and him have no, apparently, I'm not sure if he have parents or not like that, but I know the closest one that was to him was his grandma, and she passed away. So right now this person created a GoFundMe, and it's legit because he posted it on his official social media, and in the description of the GoFundMe they spoke about him having Down syndrome and him have loss of memory sometimes. So people, if you can help him out, may I beg you, go and go help him out. A good youth, them want to raise $10,000 for sending go overseas to get better treatment. A lot of time these social media sensation just blow up and people actually take advantage of them, and people do this and people do that and all sort of something. May I beg you to please, if you can, just help him out, because sometimes a social media something is like, especially when you blow up like that, it's like people look on you now and the next day nobody now look on you, and the next week you hear say yeah, and the manager did in some things, and that's the next story. Anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. Don't forget to check out Nesser Marge. You can find them at www.nessermarge.com, or you can check them out on Instagram at NesserMarge876. And remember folks, Nasser Marge is actually Jamaican spelled backway. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way. And any other way, a the wrong way. I'm gone.